Jane here. Welcome to Tuesday Talks with Virginia's for Doulas. Today we're going to take it back to the basics and talk a little bit about what to pack in your hospital bag, or if you're planning on birthing at a birth center, what to pack in your bag. This seems like something that you would know a lot about, but everyone has questions of, what do you want to pack? What do you actually need? What's overpacking and what's underpacking? So, for mom who's giving birth, you want to pack comfy clothes. You might want to have nursing pads if you're planning to breastfeed, chapstick, hair ties, anything that you plan to use in labor to stay comfortable, such as affirmation cards, birth ball, essential oils, massage oil. You can't put your doula in your birth bag, but she can carry your birth bag into the hospital. And your own pillow, your own blanket, music, cord charger for your phone. If you're bringing a camera, you want to make sure you have the charger for that as well. For dad or birthing partner, you want to make sure that they have their own pillow, maybe their own blanket to stay comfortable. Sometimes it can get really cold in the hospitals, and sometimes the beds or couches that dads or partners are given to sleep on can be really uncomfortable. So if you want your own pillow, I would suggest bringing that. It just kind of brings a little bit of home to the hospital and can help you feel a little more comfortable and sleep better, which is obviously the goal for everyone. Chapstick, again, toiletries, also toiletries for mom. You also want to bring your phone charger if your phone is different than your partner's. And I would suggest bringing slippers if you can, because they're easy to slip on and off, because you want to walk with some sort of shoe type thing when you're walking around in the hospital or the postpartum room or the labor room. But it's also easy to slip something off and on if you want to be getting in and out of bed to help pick up the baby, change the baby, bring baby to mom to nurse, and hop back in bed quickly also. So baby is next, or babies. The diapers that you need and the wipes that you need for the hospital are going to be supplied to you when you're in hospital. So you really don't have to worry about that unless you're planning a cloth diaper, or you know your babies are sensitive or potentially sensitive and you want to bring a special kind of disposable or cloth diaper and or wipes. So pack those. You really only need a few outfits. Onesies that have long sleeves. Sometimes you want the ones that have the hand covers, they flip over. Maybe some socks, a hat, and depending on what time of year it is when you're giving birth and bringing your baby home, you might just need a receiving blanket to sort of tuck around baby once you get into the car seat and are headed to the car. You might not need a blanket at all. Or you might need a blanket that's a little heavier. So decide on what to bring as far as, what the weather is like outside. And you really don't need much for baby because the little things that you need are sort of supplied at the hospital. They'll have receiving blankets, but you can pop baby in a onesie that you like. And if this is your second baby, third, fourth, whatever, I would suggest a little gift to the bigger siblings to sort of help them feel excited about this transition and this change too. So that's a really good tip, especially if it's the first sibling. Your older child is really in for a surprise, and especially when they're expecting the baby to play and the baby just kind of sits there. So those would be some of my tips for what to pack in your birth/hospital bag. We also have a PDF download on our website blog, so check that out if you want to. For more information, visit us at virginiasverdoulas.com. Thanks for watching.